All right, when a user on the front end, it's a construction site and they're submitting a bid. So I'm going to go to a project and act like I was bidding on it. They just go to submit a bid and they choose this and they add a file. And it's capable of, it's a multi-file uploader. So it takes it totally fine. And there's really no issues on the front end. And it actually gets back to the database with no problems as well. So I'm going to show you the database and then kind of show you what happens on the front end. So from a data perspective, we have bids, and each of those bids has a proposal, which is a list of files, right? So like I was showing you, it accepts it on the front end with no problems. And then from a standpoint of does it get to the back end, here's all bids, and these are just a list of bids, and as you can see, it gets right here, proposal. Now the problem is when you have one, two, three, when you have more than one, it doesn't work when you want to display it. These single bids work just fine. This one doesn't work as well. So I'll go over here and show you real quick. First project, currently bidding. So I'm the only one who can see this, but when I click on this, I want to be able to see click for proposal. So this is a link to the URL. When I click on that, I get this message that you don't have access. Now, also on the back end, just so you understand, under privacy, I have no settings for this at all. So it appears to be tied to the amount of files. So if I go to another project, and I know this one only has one proposal. So, excuse me. So I'll go to this one. So he only has one proposal. It works just fine. And this one only has one proposal. And that just works just fine. And then when I go back to that other person who has three, so that was St. Monica Church. Okay, so I'll go back to that project real quick. And this guy has multiple proposals in there. Excuse me. Where was it? There's the church and current bids. So this is multiple proposals in the database. Excuse me, multiple bids in the database. Delaware Elevator, and they have one, two. He has 4 different proposals submitted. It's just specifications and things of that nature. And when I click on this, I also get the error message. Let me know what you guys think. I have no idea what's going wrong. It seems like the data is all set up. It's just not able to download for whatever reason. Thank you.